Okay, so let's answer this problem about tape diagram with distributive property. Again, solving for the value of the unknown. We need to create an equation out of this tape diagram. So count the number of rectangles that we have here. There are 3, and each rectangle is being represented by b minus 2. That's an expression, and that's very important. So b minus 2, there are 3 of them. Then I will write 3 open parenthesis b minus 2 close parenthesis equals 51. It is very important that you need to enclose that b minus 2 into a parenthesis. Okay, so the next step that we will do here after that creating the equation is distribute that 3 to b minus 2. So 3 times b is 3b, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, equals 51. All right, and then of course we want to isolate that variable b on the left side. There's 3 and negative 6. So the first number that we need to remove on the left is the number far from that letter b, or the variable b, and that's negative 6. So we need to do the additive inverse. So we add positive 6 here on the left. That means we also need to add positive 6 on the right side. So now on the left we only have 3b, and then on the right side we just need to add 51 and 6, and that's going to give us 57. And of course the last step here is divide both sides by 3. The coefficient of b is 3, so we need to remove that, cancel that 3. 57 divided by 3, let's check what's the answer to that. So 5 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. This is 27. So that means 19. So b equals 19. Okay. There you go. Let's go to the next example, and this is the last one. Here we have h plus 4, and there are 5 h plus 4. So meaning this is going to be 5 times h plus 4 equals 12. Okay, so we just need to distribute that 5 to h and 4. 5 times h is 5h. 5 times 4 is positive 20. Okay, equals 12. So we need to isolate that h. That means we want to see h only on the left side, but there are 5 and 20. So we need to remove those two numbers. The first number that we will remove is the number far from that h, and that's 20. That's a positive 20. So we need to add the inverse of positive 20 on both sides. So plus negative 20 here, that's going to be canceled out because that will be equal to 0. And then here we need to add negative 20. Excuse me. So now we have 5h, and then 12 plus negative 20. They have different signs, so we need to subtract them, right? So it's 20 minus 12, and that's 8. 20 is larger than 12, so that will be negative 8. The last thing that we will do here is we will apply the the division property of equality. So divided by 5, divided by 5. So h is equal to negative 8 over 5.